Hi, my name is David Dewar with Tax Free Retirement Solutions, and I've worked with Kuhn. And Kuhn has a program called the Strategy Sphere, and it talks about small businesses, how to improve them. And I've been in business for 25 years in the financial services in the insurance industry, and I have clients and I have had success. But where I'm at right now is I need to expand my business and automate my business because of the coronavirus. And Gene's program's been outstanding. I've learned a lot. I have a lot of content and a lot of knowledge because I've been in the industry for quite a while. But the question becomes, how can I get that information out there and how can I share that with my clients, as I often do, but with new people? And Gene's been able to do that with the program, taking it, blogging it, streamlining it through emails, through your website. Just incredible, the program. And I've improved. What I like about Jean is she's very honest. She's very, she tells you the way it is. There are people out there that'll just kind of tell you what you want to hear, but she tells it directly. But she's honest, she's sincere, and you have effective results. I've been seeing results. I'm evolving as I'm transforming my business, but Jean's been really good about that. And I'm excited about that. So I've had incredible results. My benefits are I'm starting to show benefit as I'm changing and as I'm evolving. So I would say thank you very much, Gene, as I continually grow my business and evolve. And I would say if you want your business to go into the stratosphere, I would recommend definitely working with Gene and getting involved in the strategy sphere.